I'm Jonathan Fournay. I am a Digital Futures Institute Fellow here at Montgomery Community Media.
I'm Sylvie Bartusek. I'm also a Digital Futures Institute Fellow.
So far, my fellowship experience has been really enjoyable. It's been cool doing the little workshops and getting to test out all the equipment, things like mixers and soundboards, different cameras, set design. And it's just been like a unexpected, I like a little details in things, and so getting to schedule shoots and do treatment plans and learning all these little things has been really, really cool. Getting to plan all the stuff out with my group has been a good experience. Talking to people in the county, we got to interview a city council member. It's just been all over the place, but very fun and a lot of chances to learn new things.
My favorite part so far about the fellowship have been definitely the storytelling workshops. I've had this idea for such a long time to interview my queer grandma and her wife. So being able to work on that is such an awesome opportunity. I think that's the best part, is the collaboration, meeting all these awesome people.